All right, good morning. It's Louis Porcelino. Today is October 7th, and this is the ES Morning Call. All right. Well, last night on my wrap up video, I basically said that we had to take out that 50 half, and we needed to take those single prints out. Let me put the profile up as we speak. And as you can see, we did it. We took these single prints out and went down and made a low currently of basically, let me see here, 44.75, 44.75. There's one more little one right here, 44 and a quarter. And again, we did another poor low, another poor low. Doesn't mean that that can't stay here for a day. So, it's just something that I always take a look at. They took it over, or they took out the stuff that we're looking about overnight. All right. So today, what are we looking at? All right, let's start here. Let's start from the bottom, I guess. So we got the Globex low of 44.75. We got S1 down here at 47 and a quarter. Okay. This is yesterday's low right here, 50 half. Here's that 50% retracement we've been talking about. We're just around there. We took out the 5 minute pivot this morning. Basically about what is this? 655, and so it's down here at 1947.75. We'd have to take that out to become sellers again. And then we have our bull bear zone, which will be right here at 1954 and a quarter. It's also the bottom of value. We have the Globex high at 56 quarter. Point of control yesterday was 1958, and then we got value way up here at 1965.75. 1965.75. I need to check those numbers. I'm sorry, that doesn't look right to me, but let me take a look at that. All right. I think that's right. All right. So I'm kind of mixed. I'm going to tell you why. I've been really bearish, and last night Pat pointed out to me that if we take out 1820 on the cash, and so think about this: 1820 on the cash. That would be the first time in several years that we've taken a swing low out. So the other thing that's got me mixed is the fact that while we're sitting here at these July retracement areas, the Dow and the Nasdaq are further away. They're they're the 50% retracement on that move is somewhere around 16,740 for the Dow, and and we're where we at 16,835. So why the S&Ps have been making a break, the Dow and the Nasdaq have not been as accelerated on the downside. So that's got me a little concerned that we may be bottoming about, we may be stuck in this range for a while, and that the bottom is being put in before the Christmas rally. But I still think that it could go down to 1900, 1890 in the futures, and we would, that would be a great place, which is the low of the 8th of August. For today, I think we're going to get a two-sided trade. We're going to get a two-sided trade, and obviously the key is to get back inside value and stay inside value. Take the bull bear zone out. Remember, the longer that you stay in value, the better chance you have to move through value. So that's going to be the key here this morning, and Also, we've got the poor low on the bottom. So based that the market's like right in the middle of the range right now, I think it's gonna be a little lower than. I think it's gonna make up its mind this morning, and it could be a two-sided trade. So I would, I wouldn't go against the pivot for right now. I wouldn't go against the pivot. Yesterday we ended up, we had the resistance up there, and yes, the pivot was below, but we had other circumstances where the pivot became a target yesterday, and then actually when we went through it, it became, it was good for another 1,300 points down. So look for a two-sided trade today. Keys once again is taking out the Globex high or the Globex low, and then how we act once we get inside value and the bull bear zone. The bull bear zone has been Pat has established those bull bear zones, and they have been golden. So good luck. I'll give you a midday update. I will the updating between 10:30 and probably 12:30 will be nil. I got a doctor's appointment, so I will not be around to do the updating. So everybody have a good day. When I get back, I'll get back and do it. So I'll talk to you later. Bye.